What's going on YouTube? You already know who it is, you know what it is. We're gonna do it a little different today. Coming to y'all from the layer, man, like I said, on the east wing, you know, back in the dungeon. Hopefully I'm getting good light here, y'all. It's real gloomy out here today, and actually it was storming like 2.2 seconds and flooding real quick. Everybody getting the flash flood warnings out here on their phone and TV and everything. But that's why it's a little dim, a little gloomy. Hopefully you're still getting good light over here. But we're gonna do it a little different today, man. Got a quick little drop in. Amazon.com. Some sellers sent me some things, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into them. Actually, one of them I really needed, but like I said, we're gonna get into that. Stay tuned, man. It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. We're great. Get in. Alright, we back. Like I said, we're gonna do it a little different today. We got two pickups from Amazon.com that some sellers sent me. Actually, I've had it for about 4 days, but you know, I try to get to everything in a timely manner. And actually today, you seeing me, I got, you know, the plain lids fitted hat on, because actually I'll be going to work in a little while, and of course I don't wear none of my good fitted, so I bought a plain black fitted to wear to work. You know, gets cold, gets hot, you know. That's probably one of my most valuable assets right now, because I wear this about 12 hours a day. So, but we're gonna get into it. Like I said, we got two drops from a seller. Wanted me to review them, and oh, that's red flag number one, man. This stuff is moving all around the box. I hope it ain't damaged nothing. But we got two pickups from a seller that he sent to me, wanted me to look at. Like I said, one I really actually needed. He emailed me, gave me a choice of the stuff I wanted to review. And like I said, one I actually needed big time, so it actually came right on time, which is, I'm gonna open it up here real quick. Oh, this one's not bad, okay. Let's see. All right, the first one we're gonna get into, I love how they box these up. It just says Smartwatch. Now, this one is description that has, you know, you gotta look on the Amazon little receipt thing. I don't know why they make these receipts so tiny. Now I should give them bigger so you can actually read them. But this is the Y1 3.0 micro SIM card, wristwatch, touchscreen, pedometer, sleep, and everything like that. Now, mind you, this is probably a good thing for Android users. As everybody know, I have an Apple Watch, I have an iPhone X, so I'm pretty sure a lot of the functions aren't gonna work with my phone, just like if I wanna look at the message real quick, or if I just wanna do something like that, so I don't have to pull my phone out of my pocket when I'm driving on a forklift, you know, and risk dropping my phone and everything like that. But it comes in handy for the simple fact, if you remember this, I had an iTouch watch. Now, I love this watch, man, because it this is the closest thing outside of an Apple Watch that gives you a multitude of functions as far as with your iPhone, and it's not actually an Apple Watch. But we had a rest in peace situation, man. You see the latch hook where you latch the band, it broke. So I can't wear it or it keep falling off. But this, probably outside of before I got my Apple Watch, it was probably one of the best investments I ever made to work when I had my then iPhone 6s Plus. So that's why, like I said, and I like wearing my smartwatches because, you know, it's just easier, because even if I connect it to my phone, I don't have to pull my phone out, or if I know I got a notification or a message, I don't necessarily have to pull my phone out. I can just look at it real quick, see if it's important. Or in this case, what you can still do with a lot of these phones is talk on them. Like if I get a phone call, I can hit connect and I can just talk from this instead of just going in my pocket, which helps when I'm driving or driving on the forklift at work. So let's get into it. As you see, open it up, has plastic on it. Now that's good. Has your instruction book. That's gonna be pretty much useless. As tiny as you see this writing is, as close as I could, yeah, that's worthless. But most smartwatches like this, and in this case, pretty much all work the same, let's be honest. And I don't see a charger or even a charging cable for this, so that's not good, especially for this seller. Wow. So that's a problem. Usually, I mean, they don't give you the plus and everything like that, but they at least give you, like, you know, at least the connection for it to actually plug it up. But I got plenty of those, so that won't be a problem. This is what it's looking like. At least I give it this. It's real tight, already like, you know, forming so you can put it on your wrist. Not bad. I mean, it has a good weight to it, believe it or not, for a smartwatch. A lot of them feel like kind of rinky-dink and, you know, easy to break, but this one has a pretty good weight to it, not bad. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see if it has any power on it. And we can try to get it. Oh, man, usually they come pretty much dead. But, you know what? Probably gonna have to go get to try to connect it. Yeah, but for the most part, oh, that's something. Yeah, you get a look at that. Not bad. Good clarity on it. Has your battery monitor on it. Your sound. You connect your Bluetooth. I guess it counts your steps right there with the little walking man, if you can see that. Not bad. Has your date, your time. Not bad at all. We're going to get into a close-up of this more better so you guys can see all the little functions it has, you know what I mean? Because right now, you can write messages, inbox, not bad. I'm going to give y'all a better close-up look at this real quick. Like, hold on, so I don't have to keep flashing it to y'all. Y'all can just see what it is. Hold on real quick. Give me a minute, and we're going to set it up. I wanted to give y'all this angle of it, so y'all can see what it's actually looking like. And like I said right there, you can see how it's looking. That's real clear, man. I mean, that's one thing you don't have to worry about how it's going to look. And that's your little multi-functions. Like I said, well, said something about it normally being disconnected. I think because my Bluetooth is on my phone, it's probably trying to connect to it, but I haven't connected it yet. But for the most part, the clarity on this is one of the better I've seen since the iTouch watch. But I mean, it's not bad at all. I probably won't get to do a test connected to my phone. I might just do a follow-up video on that to just see how it actually sounds when it's connected to my phone, like as far as a phone call. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick overview on it. Don't want to drag it out. So you got your Facebook, your WhatsApp, your Twitter, and you can put the SIM cards in the back of these, a SIM card, memory card, so it is able to make phone calls. I won't be doing that today, of course. And so there goes your Bluetooth, your settings. Everything has going. So, I mean, it's not bad. So it keeps saying abnormally connected. I think it's trying to connect to my phone, but no, not yet. But yeah, I mean, pretty good. Has all your basic standard features. I mean, the only thing that's pretty much left to check is just, you know, quality of sound if you make a phone call. But like I said, I probably won't be getting into that right now. As you see, it's still trying to find because of the Bluetooth. But for the most part, I mean, it's pretty simple, pretty basic. All these kind of smartwatches are pretty much all the same as far as functionality wise. I mean, but me, it probably won't do too much just as far as messaging and calling because I have an iPhone. But if you have an Android, I'm pretty sure it's full functionality, full connectivity, and everything you want it to do. So, I mean, it's not a bad investment if I'm not mistaken. This here was going for $19.99. So, yeah, you got a hot $19.99 you want to spend. Like, honestly, I'll probably just wear this to work. So, I mean, if you want to have something like this you want to get and don't want to invest in those bigger market smartwatches, I mean, it's not a bad watch to invest in just to get it and do what you need to do with it as far as messaging, calling. If you want to check on certain things, hop online if you have the memory card in there and the SIM card in there. So, and remember, with these, to make them work, you do have to have a standalone SIM card. So, here's all the information on it. I'll try to drop the link to it, you know, if you do want to pick this watch up. Like I say, if you just look for something just to wear, throw around like that. Well, this box is kind of beat, but you gotta love how they just put smartwatch. But that's what the review on that one right there. I mean, it's pretty good for the money, 20 bucks. Who doesn't have that to spend on it? But that's my quick review on it, because if you've seen one of these, you've pretty much seen them all. So, but like I said, I will tell you, it has a good weight on it. But as far as the smartwatch goes, that's the review of that. It definitely won't compare to this, but I mean, well, for one, see, I got this from Ross for like 50 bucks, but I got the little discount off on it. But for 20 bucks, like they say, man, you get what you pay for. So we're going to get into the next item I got, so stay tuned for that. All right, we back. And the next item we're going to get into, and this one from this side, this is Wait, hold on. Where's the receipt for this one? This is the Dudios Bluetooth headphone magnetic wireless earbuds, sweat-proof sports headset with microphone and no installation. That's a lot of big statements, but I mean, so far they looking the part. Because as you see, they got this completely airtight sealed. Everything is offering right now. And like I said, this is the second one that I've got like this. And I'm still trying to do a giveaway on the other one. So I'll probably be giving these away too, because if you've seen my previous videos, I'm not really into these type of earbuds anyway. You know, I'm more of a, wireless Beats guy and that type of thing. But we'll go on and give them a shot just to let you know how they are. As soon as I can get this open, they sealed this up real nice. All right. I give them an A for the way they sealed it up. Definitely tell you that. Oh, that's nice. There you go. Got the slide out box. I guess that's like their quick start guide. You know, that comes with it when you slide it out. And that's how it's coming. I guess you put this up and take out the pack. Oh yeah, this isn't bad at all. Looks like it has replacement buds for the piece that goes in your ear, like different size ones. So it locks in your ear better, you know what I mean? And there's a lot of them in a Ziploc bag. And I guess this is the clip to put on the actual case. Yeah, so hey, I'll tell you what, they give you everything you need, definitely. Definitely put the link down below to this one. You got your instruction book. It's a thick instruction book for such a little thing. I guess it does a lot, but yeah. Oh, okay. And I guess, see, oh yeah, these are the kind that really gonna stay in there magnetic. So I guess, they're easy to put away, to deal with. These look like they pretty solid, man, pretty good, They got the little speaker right there. Not bad at all. You got your carrying case, your charging port, your plugs. These, I'm gonna definitely have to give these a run for the money and see what they about. I mean, there's a plus, of course, they're wireless, but these look like they're pretty solid, man. Not gonna lie to you. Do those AirPods. Now, I don't have my extra Android because it's actually in the car. And I'm filming with my iPhone X, so I'm not gonna be able to give you a review on them as far as how they sound. At least not yet. You know what? Actually, I take that back. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna go get my phone because I wanna know how these things sound. Hold on a second. All right, we back. Got my Android. I'm gonna connect it to that and see how they sound. I don't wanna unwrap them and everything because these are probably gonna be given away also. So let's see if I can turn them on and get them connected. Hopefully they charged. Okay, we got a blinking light, so they must be charged up. Trying to identify what the name will be. Trying to see what the name will be. So I find out what the name of the connection will be when you connect them to your phone, because I'm not seeing it right now under available devices. Hopefully, well, no, yeah, it's still blinking, so. All right, we're pairing right now. And it is connected, so now we're gonna go ahead and play some music and see how they sound. So let's go to my music. Trying to take this off because it looks like I'm gonna have to pull them apart to do it so I can put them on. All right, I'm about to do the sound test. Oh, these aren't bad. These aren't bad at all. Oh, these are not bad at all. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Just that quick off of that right there, let me tell you, these things are the truth. I'm not even gonna let me hold on real quick. Where's that? Now these things on here are going for from the website. I'm definitely gonna put a link for these down below. These things were $27.99. Make no mistake, these are every bit of worth $27.99 for the bass and the beat you get off of these little things. Wow. Me personally, and you know I try to give you a no BS assessment. These are some, and for these to be sent to me free from a seller, these are some of the best earbuds I've reviewed, hands down, period, sound quality wise. These things are worth every penny of $27.99, and that's true statement, true facts. And I knew they were gonna be that good because you could tell for $27.99, the way they package this thing together, all the extra buds, your clippings and everything. This company that sent this out, they came to play. Like, you know, against some of these other high quality, of course, you know, you got the Apple AirPods and all that kind of thing. Now I've heard, you know, I've heard how they sound in the Friends and the Beats, the Beats by Dre ones. These things, they no slouch and no lacking. I'll tell you that right now, wholehearted, honestly. Now, the sad part is, as good as these things are, I'm not into them. So I'm probably gonna do a giveaway on the other ones I had, and I'm gonna do a giveaway on these also. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up with a nice little giveaway for these. And when I put it together, I'm gonna actually do a standalone video for the giveaway. And I'm not the kind of person, I'm not gonna make it hard, make you jump through hoops for it. Cause like I said, I'd rather just pay it forward because I know I'm not the type of person that uses this. So I'm gonna make a standalone video and I'm gonna be giving both of them away at the same time. And I'll tell you what the rules are and all that kind of thing when I come up with that type of thing. Cause this will actually be the first giveaway I'm doing. But it makes no sense for me to sit on all this kind of product and I know I'm not gonna use it. But I'm gonna tell you what, whoever wins these things, you're definitely not gonna be disappointed. I'm gonna put the link down below to these in the description. Also gonna put the link down below for the smartwatch. So definitely stay tuned for that, man. I just wanted to give y'all a quick no BS assessment review on these products. And as you see by the look of my face, man, these things, I'm really shocked by these. I mean, I knew they were packaged right. You know, the way it looked, you could tell when somebody puts, you know, their all into a product because they expect it to be that good. And these definitely fit the bill. Definitely not going to be disappointed whoever wins. So I'm definitely going to get that giveaway put together sooner than later. Just to go ahead and let somebody enjoy them because they're not my thing. So I'd rather pay it forward and let somebody enjoy them who is into it and who can get the most out of them. So with that being said, we got the smartwatch. We got your Dudios, whatever how you do Dudios. That's what this looks like, it says. But the link will be down both of them. Like I said, this here. I mean, I'll probably get more use out of these because these will go for the giveaway. But for the most part, man, appreciate y'all watching. This your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Giveaway video for both of the earbuds that I got in. Coming next. Definitely gonna do that one before I do more hats for my collection. So stay tuned for that, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, giveaway video. It's your boy, man. Gotta get up out of here. It is a work day. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.